Let's learn 12 powerful phrases from interviews with Shah Rukh Khan.
Why do you go to these 3 places? I said, because I felt like. A friend called me. I was just driving back and I said, listen, let me just drop into this party. No, you're spreading yourself too thin.
Spread yourself too thin means trying to do too many things at once and not giving enough time or energy to each one. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है अपने आप को जरूरत से ज्यादा कामों में उलझा लेना. For example, she tried to help everyone with their problems and ended up spreading herself too thin. उसने सभी की समस्याओं में मदद करने की कोशिश की और अंततः खुद को जरूरत से ज्यादा कामों में उलझा लिया.
I treat myself very normally. And I think sometimes that goes against the brand, so to say, because I do things just off the cuff.
Off the cuff means saying or doing something without planning or thinking about it in advance. It's like speaking or doing something spontaneously, without preparation. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है बिना तैयारी के कुछ कहना या करना. For example, the comedian told a funny joke off the cuff that made the whole crowd laugh. कॉमेडियन ने बिना तैयारी के एक मजेदार जोक सुनाया जिससे पूरी भीड़ हंस पड़ी.
The differences and categories we've created really strongly on social media. You'll be trolled and you'll think the whole world has gone mad. We're right now at the cusp of that.
At the cusp of means being at the point where something is about to happen or change. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है किसी बड़े बदलाव की कगार पर होना. For example, the artist was at the cusp of creating a masterpiece that would change the art world. कलाकार एक ऐसी कृति बनाने के कगार पर था जो कला की दुनिया को बदल देगी.
It's just a number. 400 is a number that I think I can individually, without really having to run from pillar to post.
Pillar to post is an expression that means being moved around from one place to another or going through a lot of trouble without finding a solution. It's like being passed from one person or thing to another without getting what you need or want. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है किसी समस्या के समाधान के लिए दर-दर भटकना. For example, the customer service team kept moving me from pillar to post without solving my problem. Customer service team मुझे समस्या का समाधान किए बिना दर-दर भटकाती रही.
I was very pompous, I was very elitist about acting in Hindi films. So when I started doing things and I was like, I looked down upon certain things.
Look down upon means to think of someone or something as being less important, less good, or not worthy of respect. It's like feeling superior or judging others negatively. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है किसी को गिरी हुई नजर से देखना. For example, she tends to look down upon people who don't have a college degree. वह उन लोगों को गिरी हुई नजर से देखती है जिनके पास कॉलेज डिग्री नहीं होती.
Like, my mother was very strong. Every boy's and every girl's mother is very strong. That's a given.
The phrase "that's a given" means something is so obvious or certain that it doesn't need to be explained or questioned. It's like saying "that's obvious" or "that's for sure." हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. For example, you are the one who stole my necklace and that's a given. तुमने ही मेरा नेकलेस चुराया है और इसमें कोई शक नहीं है.
I think I've completely eradicated this person from the face of this earth, but the person keeps coming back. But I think it is a place that you need to be a little thick-skinned.
Being thick-skinned means not getting easily hurt or upset by criticism, insults, or difficult situations. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है किसी बात का जल्दी बुरा न मानने वाला. For example, to succeed in that job, you need to be thick-skinned because customers can sometimes be rude. उस नौकरी में सफल होने के लिए आपको किसी बात का जल्दी बुरा ना मानने वाला होना चाहिए क्योंकि ग्राहक कभी-कभी रुखे हो सकते हैं.
Because I found otherwise the character being a bit of a loser, shirking away from duties, shirking away from commitment.
To shirk away means to avoid or escape something, especially a responsibility or task, because you don't want to deal with it. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है किसी काम को करने से बचना. For example, she tried to shirk away from doing her homework, but her parents reminded her it was important. उसने अपना होमवर्क करने से बचने की कोशिश की, लेकिन उसके माता-पिता ने उसे याद दिलाया कि यह महत्वपूर्ण है.
Most of the definitions were subservient to the other gender. And I think this categorization is going to fall through in some time.
Fall through means that something planned or intended fails or doesn't happen as expected. It's often used when a plan, agreement, or event doesn't work out. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है प्लान के हिसाब से कम ना हो पाना. For example, our trip to the beach fell through because it rained all weekend. हमारे बीच पर जाने की ट्रिप नहीं हो पाई क्योंकि पूरे सप्ताह बारिश होती रही।